So car insurance is essentially a contract between the car owner and the general insurance company, that in case something happens to the car, the claim would be settled. The financial burden of that loss, in case an accident happens or something happens to the car, the financial burden is taken on by the insurance company, not the car owner. There are two types here. There's a third-party liability cover, and there is a comprehensive cover. In general, these are the two types of cover. A third-party liability cover is when a liability comes because of a loss caused to a third party. So essentially, you're going on the road, you have an accident with somebody, the person gets hurt, or you hit into somebody's property and the property gets hurt, whether it's a car or an immovable property, and that person essentially sues you or files a claim on you. Now that claim is settled not by you but by the insurance company. That's third party liability. It's compulsory. You're not allowed to drive without third party liability, because essentially you're carrying.
And that's perhaps the most commonly asked question. Okay, do we have third party insurance or not?
If you don't have, mandatory, if you do not have third party insurance cover, that's a prisonable offense, because you should not be driving. You're carrying a weapon on the road which can destroy property and giving people no recourse to get that money back, because you are limited in means, whereas the damage you cause is unlimited. So clearly that's not allowed anywhere in the world, and specifically in India it's not allowed to do that. Now comes the comprehensive. Comprehensive is when you start covering your own losses. So what else can happen besides third party? And that would automatically include your car, parts of the car which can be covered. It does not include wear and tear. It would not include loss caused because of your own malicious intent, or your own being drunk, or if you're drunk and driving and you go and bang into, and if that's proven that you were drunk, it won't be covered. If you're driving through a flooded area and you try the ignition switch too often and the car stalls because of your mistake, again it may not be covered. So there are various mechanisms by which your own mistake you may not get covered, but in most cases you will get covered if you have a comprehensive insurance policy. You will be covered if your car is in transit and gets damaged. You will be covered if you have an accident on the road. You would be covered if there's a theft. You would be covered if there are riots. You would be covered if there's an earthquake. You would be covered if there are floods. In all these situations, you would be covered. You're not covered for normal wear and tear. So if your tires run out of tread, you can't go and say, hey, I want a new tire because I'm insured. So some things are covered.